G'day viewers. I'm not really into these cooking shows, you know, like they can cook it up and saute the onion and the herbs and the spices and a bit of garlic, and in the end you can't even taste the chicken. More of a crumb cutlets and spuds sort of guy. On Monday night we splashed out and had Italian. Bit of zucchini, crumb cutlets and spuds. I don't know, you just got to lash out sometimes. Anyway, tonight I'm here to show you how to make a nostalgia sandwich. And anyone that makes this sandwich is going to be taken back to when they were 6-year-old. And we all know that 6-year-olds have been making sandwiches since before time began. Now, the first thing you do is get your loaf of bread. Make sure you dig down into the middle to get your slices, because kids all know the top slices are poison. Okay, next we get our butter, dig in deep, spread it out, uneven, nice and lumpy, and make sure always leave a big dollop on the end of your knife. Why? Okay, with the Vegemite, when you go to that, you've got to make sure you go down to the bottom around the side, because all kids know that butter is poison. So again, we spread the Vegemite in big lumps, not even, and once again, we leave a big dollop on the end of our knife. Why? Okay, close it up. Now the way you eat a sandwich is you take a bite, you chew it twice, and you take a big swig of milk. Swirl it round so it's nice and soggy. And make sure you leave a little bit of milk in the end of the bottle. Never put it back in the fridge as a full bottle. I reckon in my fridge I've got a whole pint of milk that goes across 9 different bottles. And if you're lucky and you've done it right, there'll be some crumbs in the bottom of it too. Now to wrap your sandwich, we're going to use good old fashioned greaseproof paper. Not the Glad wrap. This has only been around for a few years, so it's not, you know, got the nostalgia about it. But hey, what a great invention that is. You know, once upon a time you'd make a salmon sandwich. If there was any left over, you'd just chuck it out. Now, if you've got any salmon left over, you put it in a bowl, you put the Glad wrap on the top, you put it in the fridge, leave it there for 2 weeks, and then you chuck it out. Anyway, let's wrap up our sandwich, just like Mum used to do. And then, here's the most important part. So you make a little hole for air to get in your sandwich. You get a lukewarm school bag, and we're going to pop the sandwich in. Add some crayons and a mouldy apple, and close it up. Kick it under your bed for the weekend. And then when you come back on Monday, ready for school, you've got that great stale smelling sandwich. Right back to when you were 6-year-old.